Amid global energy price fluctuations, Tesla introduces Optimus V3.5, a chef robot capable of slicing, frying, cooking, and plating. Optimus runs entirely on clean electricity stored in the Powerwall, with a capacity of 13.5 kilowatt-hours, enough to power an entire household for nearly 24 hours straight. What role will robots like Optimus play in shaping the future of family life? Before we begin, please help us reach 20,000 subscribers. It will be a huge motivation for us to continue bringing you great episodes about Tesla Bot, Tesla EVs, and the latest news. How well can Optimus Gen 3.5 perform as a household chef, and where does it still struggle? One of the most surprising features of Tesla's Optimus V3.5 is its ability to cook, a field that may seem simple, yet actually demands dexterity, flexibility, and highly complex sensory coordination. Elon Musk has emphasized that Optimus is not merely an industrial robot, but one that can become part of the family. Its ability to work in the kitchen is clear proof of that ambition. From a technical perspective, Optimus can perform basic tasks such as slicing, frying, stirring, or plating. These are actions that require precise coordination between computer vision, arm control, and real-time processing. For instance, the robot being able to recognize a tomato, place the knife in the exact position, and apply just the right force to slice it thinly without crushing it, represents a significant leap in robotics. It shows that Optimus's neural network has been trained not only to recognize objects, but also to understand how humans operate in the kitchen. However, its weaknesses are still evident. Cooking is an art of finesse and creativity, something robots cannot yet fully replace. Optimus may handle repetitive tasks such as frying or stirring, but the subtlety of seasoning, or the intuitive feel of tossing a pan, remains far out of reach. Speed is another limitation. While a skilled chef can prepare a meal in minutes, Optimus might take much longer, as it has to calculate each step and correct even the smallest errors. An amusing aspect is that Tesla has not hesitated to acknowledge the funny moments during training. For example, the image of Optimus struggling to crack an egg has gone viral. This not only reflects transparency, but also makes the robot feel more relatable to the public. Rather than being built as a flawless machine, Optimus is presented as a kind of trainee still learning its craft, one that will gradually improve through continuous software updates. This is precisely Tesla's advantage. Each OTA upgrade can turn Optimus from a clumsy kitchen assistant into a competent chef. On a societal level, Optimus cooking goes beyond convenience. It opens the possibility of robots freeing humans from daily chores, giving us more time for family, creativity, or rest. If every household had a robot that could prepare dinner, its value would extend far beyond a single function. It could fundamentally reshape family life. Ultimately, Optimus's role as a chef is also symbolic. Food is the most basic and universal human need. When a robot can directly take part in fulfilling that need, it becomes more than a piece of technology. It becomes part of everyday life. This is exactly how Tesla envisions Optimus. Not as a distant device, but as a companion in the household, helping with tasks as small as preparing a meal and potentially much greater responsibilities in the future. Once again, please help us reach 20,000 subscribers. This is important for us to stay motivated. Thank you. Why does Tesla integrate Optimus into its clean energy ecosystem? One of the biggest differences between Optimus V3.5 and any other robot on the market does not lie in its appearance or a single feature, but in its ability to fully integrate into Tesla's ecosystem. This is a strategy Elon Musk has applied consistently. Instead of developing isolated products, Tesla builds a seamless network where electric vehicles, energy storage, solar roofs, AI software, and now robots all interact like puzzle pieces within the same picture. The highlight of this ecosystem is its closed loop of energy and data. When Optimus cooks or works at home, it doesn't operate alone. It constantly connects with Tesla's existing platforms. For example, the Tesla Home OS, expected to integrate in the future, could manage energy from the solar roof, Powerwall, EVs in the garage, and Optimus's activities. This means the robot is not just a power-consuming tool, but an intelligent agent that helps balance and optimize household energy. Another key aspect is software connectivity. Tesla is famous for its OTA over-the-air updates. This means Optimus doesn't exist in isolation, it evolves with the entire ecosystem. When Tesla upgrades its energy management algorithms, its FSD full self-driving system or the Tesla app, those improvements can immediately cascade to Optimus. For instance, an AI patch that helps FSD handle complex traffic scenarios might also enhance Optimus's computer vision in the kitchen or living room. This is a unique advantage no traditional robotics company has. Every robot sold is not just a standalone product, but a network node in Tesla's global AI system. Beyond energy and software, the ability to synchronize with other Tesla products opens up a distinctive vision. Imagine this scenario. You drive your Tesla Model Y home, the garage door opens automatically via AI recognition, the Powerwall shifts into vehicle charging mode, while Optimus prepares dinner. All of this unfolds seamlessly through a single application, the Tesla app. No more fragmentation between car, home, and robot. Instead, a unified ecosystem. This is the Tesla lifestyle Elon Musk wants to shape. A future where every essential device in daily life belongs to the same intelligent network. This integration also carries huge significance in terms of sustainability and cost efficiency. Instead of buying separate products from different companies, a car from company A, an energy battery from company B, a robot from company C, consumers only need Tesla for a complete solution. Each component is designed to communicate optimally with the others, reducing maintenance costs while increasing utility. This is how Tesla creates the lock-in effect, retaining customers through a closed ecosystem, similar to how Apple does with the iPhone, iPad, and MacBook. What's more, Optimus is not just passive within this ecosystem, it acts as a bridge between humans and Tesla technology. If Tesla cars are the means of transport, and Powerwall the energy heart, then Optimus is the face of Tesla within the living space. This robot can directly interact with its owner, listen to commands, and adjust other Tesla devices according to context. Imagine saying, "Optimus, start the car for 7 a.m. tomorrow and charge it using solar power." Instead of opening an app or adjusting settings manually, Optimus becomes the physical interface, letting users control the whole ecosystem with voice and gestures. Equally important, Optimus expands Tesla's vision beyond transportation. Until now, Tesla has been primarily known for EVs and clean energy. With Optimus, the company enters the household robotics market, a completely new and massive industry. Thanks to integration, Tesla can position Optimus not as an add-on product, but as an essential part of its overall strategy. Cars move you around, Powerwall powers your home, and Optimus sustains everyday life. Ultimately, in the bigger picture, this integration has a strategic meaning. Optimus transforms Tesla's ecosystem from mechanical to alive. Cars and batteries are lifeless machines, but with a humanoid robot acting as an intermediary, the ecosystem feels more approachable, more human. This is the difference Elon Musk emphasizes. Tesla doesn't just sell technology, it sells a lifestyle vision of sustainability, where humans and robots coexist within a clean energy network. What does solar-powered ingredients truly mean for Optimus Gen 3.5? When Tesla introduced the Optimus V3.5 with cooking capabilities, one of the most eye-catching details was the concept of solar-powered ingredients. At first glance, the phrase may sound like a marketing gimmick, but upon deeper analysis, it is, in fact, a crucial part of the sustainable energy vision that Elon Musk and Tesla are building. To understand it fully, we need to look at three perspectives: the origin of the ingredients, the way energy is stored and consumed, and the philosophical meaning behind Tesla's use of the term solar-powered for food. First, ingredients grown in farms or greenhouses powered by solar energy is the most straightforward interpretation. In today's context, more and more modern agricultural systems are applying renewable energy to cut costs and reduce carbon emissions. Tesla may be hinting at a model in which vegetables, fruits, and even lab-grown meat are all produced using electricity from solar panels. This creates a closed supply chain where renewable energy doesn't just power homes and electric vehicles, but also expands into agriculture and food, an industry that is traditionally one of the largest sources of global emissions. Second, a deeper interpretation lies in the process of energy storage via the Powerwall and solar roof. In Tesla's context, solar-powered ingredients may also refer to the entire cooking process. Instead of using grid electricity or fossil fuels, Optimus cooks with power stored in Tesla Powerwalls, which capture energy from the solar roof. In this way, each dish prepared by the robot is not just food, but also a demonstration of how renewable energy can be applied to everyday life. This imagery turns cooking, an ordinary, familiar act, into a vivid illustration of Tesla gradually realizing the solar economy Elon Musk has spoken of many times. Third, there is a more philosophical layer of meaning. Scientifically, nearly all food originates from sunlight. Plants photosynthesize, turning sunlight into sugars and starches. Animals eat plants, and humans consume both. Broadly speaking, every meal is an indirect product of solar energy. Yet Tesla deliberately chooses to use the concept literally, emphasizing a transparent and technological loop. Sunlight, solar panels, Powerwall storage, Optimus, food. Unlike nature's indirect cycle, Tesla wants to showcase a clear engineered pathway where sunlight becomes electricity and ultimately appears in every dish on the table. This carries not only symbolic value but also practical implications. When consumers hear solar-powered ingredients, they associate it with purity, sustainability, and modernity. It also opens the door to a new market, food labeled with green energy. Just as organic, or non-GMO, once marked clean food, the future could see the rise of solar-grown, meaning the entire production chain runs on solar power. Tesla may not directly produce food, but by connecting Optimus and its energy ecosystem to the cooking experience, the company is shaping public perception in this direction. Moreover, the concept of solar-powered ingredients shows how Tesla transforms small, ordinary household activities into global messages about clean energy. Cooking a meal is usually just a daily routine, but when done by a Tesla robot powered by solar energy, it becomes a statement. A sustainable future is possible. Instead of promoting abstract, hard-to-grasp ideas, Tesla provides a concrete, relatable example that anyone can understand and experience. Psychological factors also play a role. Consumers may feel proud or even amused saying, "Tonight's dinner was cooked entirely with solar energy." This is a marketing advantage that adds value to the brand. Driving an electric car may not always make customers feel the cleanliness of energy directly, but eating a meal prepared by Optimus with power from a Powerwall creates a much more intimate and tangible experience. Finally, the idea of solar-powered ingredients ties directly to Elon Musk's core philosophy, building a closed-loop energy ecosystem, from production to consumption. Tesla cars run on batteries charged from solar roofs, homes use Powerwalls to store electricity, and now even meals are prepared with that same energy. This paints a holistic picture where every daily activity, transportation, living, and eating, revolves around clean energy. It is precisely this interconnectedness that makes Tesla stand out from any other tech or automotive company. We appreciate your contributions and hope you will have the most relaxing feelings after watching this video. If you did, please hit the like button and join the Techno Creator family by subscribing to our channel. And don't miss out on any of our awesome videos by hitting the bell icon. We value your feedback and your time. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you soon. Until then, stay safe and have fun.